Hello my whoop friends. Is crashing really an art? Can you even learn to crash properly? Yes you can. Our brains are amazing. But it's a difficult task for your brain and you really have to give it your all so that your brain learns. The mindset has to be, I don't want to crash anymore. And I give 100% to prevent the crash. I don't stop flying the aircraft until it is actually on the ground and the propellers have stopped or I have the aircraft under control again. As long as this is not the case, I continue to fly and am ready at the sticks to react or sometimes not to react for a short period of time. That's the secret. You must never give up until the aircraft is on the ground and the propellers have stopped turning. Sometimes it's worth disarming the engines immediately. But sometimes it's worth waiting a moment with the throttle at 30 to 50% and trying to regain orientation. Basically, for beginners who are not yet able to regain their orientation, it is worth disarming the motors before or fairly shortly after the impact. Intermediate pilots can wait a little longer before disarming and trying to regain orientation. In the following clips I'll show you a few of my crashes.
I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me. And what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Take into your hands a plan, your own hands can land your own brand. And damn, I feel like no one takes accountability. They want the credibility, convincingly unwilling to put in the fucking hours it takes to get some power. Don't be fucking sour, take a cold shower. Scream until you're louder, work until you're prouder. And fuck all the doubters, they're just fucking downers. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm pissed off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. I'm just telling you to fight for your dreams, but it's not what it seems. Man, it's hard to be seen when everybody wants to be king. Yeah, they all wanna ring, yeah, we all wanna be free. So show me what you got, what you bring, how you fight in the ring, how you take a fucking swing. Do you got heart, are you mean? Got some scars, got some needs, are you willing to go bleed?